Okay.
They're Denny's.
Okay, very good. Okay, go ahead.
It's going to be 04
04
48
48
79
79
16.
16. Okay.
That's going to be here.
That's considered the order number?
Correct. This will be the order number for the installation, sir. I do apologize here for not mentioning it here, but there is one additional charge here for just this monthly as well as of a $9.99 for shipping and handling of the equipment to your house.
A one time?
Correct. $9.99 just a one time.
Okay.
Okay, one second here. Now I'm going to bring up the date. Sir, may I ask, would you like to be enrolled in paperless billing? I apologize. Yeah, paperless billing and auto pay?
Probably is going to be auto pay.
You want to do auto pay? You don't have to do it this moment, so you can do it when you have time.
That's fine.
Sure, now we're going to bring up the day of installation here. So this one could be for you today. Would it be more in the morning time, sir, or in the afternoon?
Afternoon's probably going to be good after 4:30.
Sure, we'll put up the day. We'll kind of have like a time range.
Okay.
Like from one certain time, well, a specific times with other specific times, so you can like arrange from like 12 to 4.
Okay. Yeah, that'd be all right.
Okay, sir. So in this situation, it looks like the closest date that I have is going to be Wednesday, the 7th, which would be in the week.
Wednesday the 7th?
Correct.
Okay.
And I have the latest time would be 1 to 5, if you would like.
Yeah, 1 to 5 would be good.
Correct, sir. Yeah, it'd be Wednesday the 7th.
Got it.
All right, sure. May you please provide me with a contact number for the...
It's going to be the same one, 585-905-8638.
8638, thank you. Sorry, can you hear that? Okay, sure. I apologize here. But for the last time, I'll be placing you on hold here no longer than 2 minutes so I can finish off the certain off-road details.
Okay.
And we can stop at this time here. One second here, sir.
Well, there's a one-time fee of $10 for delivery and whatever. The $75 one-time fee for installation. So, and I chose to pay that in three installments. But I could probably, when you get your bill and you go online to pay it online, you can go ahead and pay it on. But as you see, your monthly payment also includes internet security for $5 a month, and then another $10 a month for the rental of the router.
I'll learn from you that you called in today.
Okay.
Verify on the day, I advise that there was none in place, so we placed in your new orders with the internet of the 12 ends. The price for life is $199 plus $10 for the router.
Okay.
Including with your activity security.
Okay.
As well as advise you the next 3 months billing, which is 35 around 98.
Will do.
With the charge. And then after that, it'll be lowered to the price of the $50.98 that I mentioned.
Okay.
And for this next monthly bill, if you provided me with, including the $9.99 charge and everything, it's going to be around $87 roughly, and that's before tax again.
Okay.
That's just going to be for the that's including all the charges that I've mentioned already.
Okay.
And then from there. Is there anything else I can help you with? Any questions or doubt here?
What is the what's the billing date?
Billing date, 1 second here. Actually, I'm not actually provided with that the day that the billing date is. Okay.
I see.
The day that you're off, it's going to be the day that it installs. It would be the day that I would believe your bill cycle would begin.
Okay. Very good.
When the day you get your service installed, you can call in as well.
Okay.
We provide you with the billing date and due date as well.
Very good. Who am I speaking with?
Oh, National, sir.
Okay. Very nice. Nice to meet you. I appreciate all your help you've been doing tonight. I know you're fixing somebody else's issue.
I have no issue, sir. That's what I'm here for. What is it? Sir, you may receive a survey.
Sure.
Going to be a survey that I received today. You would like I can transfer to you right now?
Sure thing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Great night.
Well, as well, sir. Thank you for calling Frontier. Have a wonderful evening. Here, I'll transfer you over to the survey.
Where are you located right now?
One more time, sir?
Where are you located?
So we're located in Mexico City.
Mexico City. Okay, very good. Thank you again.
No worries here, sir. 1 second here, I'll transfer you over to the survey.
Sure will.
Thank you for calling Frontier. Have a wonderful evening, sir.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Wow. He is in Mexico City. He did an awesome job.
Please enter the customer attendance receipt at this time. Please enter the customer's attendance receipt at this time.
Well, unfortunately, it ended before I could do anything about it. So, there you go. Had to call all the way to Mexico City to get the service set up. So, let's see if it works this time. It should be showing up. I said between 1 and 5 on, it'll be next Wednesday, a week from now. So, we'll see. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And we'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's Vlogs. Okay. Actually, this time, got an email. Actually, it's a text from Frontier giving me the day. Here's your order number. Thank you for your order. Your reference number, installation date, schedule. Yes, reminder, anyone 18 or over will need to be present. Will need to be present, apply change or whatever. So remember that. So we will see what happens. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch you on the next. I guess we can sit this around the house.